Nairobi, Kenya.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren and I'm Maureen. So today we're in the streets of Nairobi and we're going to be asking Kenyans to name for us 3 cities that they think are the most developed in Africa. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and you can also leave us a comment on what you think about this video. So let's go. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Dominic.
Dominic.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans.
Yeah.
Could you name for us 3 most developed cities in Africa?
3 most developed cities in Africa.
Yeah.
Nairobi, Johannesburg, and Accra.
Why?
Because I noticed roads in Accra are so developed. Not so many of the roads have potholes. Same case to Kenya. Right now, yeah, as you can see. Yeah, and Johannesburg, yeah, same case. There are not so many potholes. And in terms of business, like it's so diverse. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you so much for having me.
Hi, how are you?
Hi,
What's your name?
Dixon Kiunga.
Dixon.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, can you name for us 3 most developed cities in Africa?
In Africa, in South Africa, we have Johannesburg, Nairobi, Kenya, Cairo, Egypt.
Oh, wow. You're the only one who's mentioned Cairo. Could you maybe give us a reason why?
I think Cairo is one of the biggest cities in Africa we have. It is developed. Yes.
Okay, and what about these other cities?
They are also developed like Nairobi. It's among the biggest cities we have in Africa.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Gilbert.
Jimboy. Gilbert.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, what would you say are the most developed what would you say are the most developed cities in Africa? You can name for us 3.
Accra, Lagos, and Nairobi.
Accra, Lagos, and Nairobi?
Yeah.
Why?
They have good infrastructure. The education is good. Let's say communication systems are also good.
And would you like to visit other than Nairobi, these other cities?
Yeah, sure.
What would you like to see in Johannesburg?
Johannesburg.
Yeah.
The vibe of the people.
What about Accra?
Accra.
Yeah.
How they operate.
Okay. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Kibuyu?
Kibuyu?
Yep.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 most developed cities in Africa?
3 most developed?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We start with Kenya. Kenya is the most developed.
A city in Kenya?
Yeah, city in Kenya, Nairobi. Yeah, Nairobi. So we go to Lagos in Nigeria and then Johannesburg in South Africa.
Is there a reason why you mentioned these 3 countries, cities?
Yes. Okay, in Kenya, we are, let's leave Kenya behind because let's go to Lagos. Yeah, Lagos is a rich country actually. It's this rich city. So if you can compare the economy of Nigeria and the other countries, yeah, Nigeria is it's up. And Johannesburg, you know, there is a lot of weed there. Yeah, bank. So there's
a lot of weed.
Yeah, bank. Yeah, it's mob. So their economy, they have money bana.
So they have money because of weed.
Yes. That's why I was thinking even Kenya we can start that business. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Ritual.
Ritual.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 most developed cities in Africa?
3 most developed. Let's start with our country, Kenya. Nairobi. Yeah, Mogadishu in Somalia. And what's the name? Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah, Lagos in Nigeria.
Oh, why did you say those 3 cities?
Oh, the cities are much developed. Yeah.
So that is your
That's all
opinion.
about. Yeah, that's all about.
Okay. Okay, Sasa. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Cyprian Joka.
Cyprian. Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, which do you think are the most developed cities in Africa? You can name for us 3.
3
Most developed cities.
cities in Africa.
Yeah.
Cities are South Africa.
Which
Nairobi,
city in South Africa?
I only know South Africa. I just know that.
Okay, so let's go with the country South Africa, okay?
South Africa. Nairobi, Kenya.
And the third one?
The third one. Hey. Dar es Salaam iko Uganda ama?
It's in Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Yeah. So Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.
I guess yeah.
Why do you mention the 3 cities/countries?
South Africa is the most developed country in Africa. Nairobi because I'm here. I mean I'm a Kenyan. Then Tanzania because I only worked with those 2. For Tanzania I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Crazy Moja.
Crazy Moja.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 most developed cities in Africa?
Most developed cities in Africa. First of all, we start with Nairobi.
Is there a reason? Could you name for us maybe 3 reasons why you say Nairobi?
Yeah. Nairobi is a city of life, and it's Nairobi. It has freedom. Let me say it has freedom, and then it's a developed city. Let's say that. Yeah.
Okay, could you name for us 2 more cities?
2 more cities. We go for South Africa, Johannesburg. Yeah. Nigeria in Lagos. Yeah.
Lagos in Nigeria.
Nigeria. Yeah.
Okay, could you give us reasons for these 2, or that is just what you think?
Hey, that is just what I think.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and you can also leave us a comment on what you think about this video.